Imagine giving your kidneys a refreshing cleanse that not only boosts their function but also helps you feel more energized and healthy. Just like the rest of your body, your kidneys can benefit from a detox, and the best part is, you can do it naturally and effectively with the right drinks. Your kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering out toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping your body's internal environment stable. However, with the demands of modern life, they can sometimes become overburdened. Fortunately, nature offers powerful solutions to support your kidneys and enhance their detoxification process. By incorporating certain drinks into your daily routine, you can help cleanse and rejuvenate your kidneys, ensuring they function optimally and keep you feeling your best. Here are the best 7 drinks to detox and cleanse your kidneys fast. Point number 1. Water. Water is the most fundamental and effective drink for kidney health. It plays a crucial role in flushing out toxins and waste products from your body, which the kidneys filter out through urine. By staying well hydrated, you help your kidneys function efficiently, reducing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day ensures that your kidneys have the support they need to keep your body's internal systems balanced and healthy. Regular water intake is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function and overall well-being. Point number 2. Unsweetened green tea. Unsweetened green tea is a powerful ally for kidney health, thanks to its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins. These compounds help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are critical for preventing kidney damage. Green tea also has mild diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production and aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. By drinking 3 cups of unsweetened green tea daily, you can support your kidneys in their detoxification process, improve overall kidney function, and contribute to your general health without the added sugars that can strain the kidneys. Point number 3. Black coffee. Black coffee, when consumed in moderation, can be beneficial for your kidneys due to its rich antioxidant content, particularly chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative damage, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Additionally, coffee acts as a mild diuretic, increasing urine production and helping to flush out toxins from the body. Drinking up to 1.5 cups of black coffee a day can support kidney health by enhancing detoxification processes while providing a natural energy boost. It's important to avoid adding sugar or cream, which can counteract these benefits. Point number 4. Low-sugar smoothies. A low-sugar smoothie made with unsweetened yogurt, blueberries, and strawberries is a delicious and kidney-friendly drink that supports detoxification. Blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Unsweetened yogurt adds probiotics, which support gut health, indirectly benefiting kidney function by reducing the toxin load. These smoothies are low in sugar, preventing excessive strain on the kidneys while providing a nutrient-dense, hydrating option that helps cleanse the kidneys naturally. Regularly consuming such smoothies can enhance overall kidney health and function. Point number 5. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Unsweetened cranberry juice is well known for its ability to promote kidney health, particularly by preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney issues if untreated. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria, especially E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This action helps flush out bacteria and toxins, reducing the risk of infections that could burden the kidneys. Drinking just half a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice daily supports this natural cleansing process, helping to maintain healthy kidneys and preventing potential complications. Point number 6. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet effective drink for detoxifying and cleansing your kidneys. The high citrate content in lemons helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by binding with calcium in the urine, reducing the likelihood of crystal formation. Additionally, lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production and aiding in the elimination of toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Drinking lemon water regularly not only helps cleanse your kidneys but also supports overall hydration, which is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function and preventing issues like kidney stones. Point number 7. Red grape juice. Red grape juice, made from fresh red grapes, is a powerful drink for kidney health due to its high levels of antioxidants, particularly resveratrol. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in kidney damage. The natural diuretic properties of red grapes also promote increased urine production, aiding in the elimination of toxins and excess salts from the kidneys. Drinking 1 glass of red grape juice daily, or consuming about 15 grapes, can support kidney detoxification, improve kidney function, and contribute to overall cardiovascular health, further protecting your kidneys. Incorporating these 7 kidney-friendly drinks into your daily routine can significantly boost your kidney health and promote natural detoxification. From the hydrating power of water to the antioxidant-rich benefits of green tea and red grape juice, each of these beverages plays a crucial role in cleansing and supporting your kidneys. By making these simple yet effective changes, you can help your kidneys function more efficiently, protect them from potential damage, and enhance your overall well-being. Start today, and give your kidneys the care they deserve for a healthier, more balanced life.